Hi everybody, big guy here. Listen, I came down Saturday morning and got a cup of coffee, looking out the kitchen window. What is wrong out there? Couldn't figure out what I was looking at. It's kind of hard to see through the screen. So I took a walk outside. Okay, here's what I could see out the kitchen window. The screen kind of messes it up. Couldn't really tell what was out there. It was just all kinds of branches on the ground. Took a walk outside and oh my God, half the yard is covered in tree branches. And here we are. It is a mess. I got tree down everywhere. And it was a good sized tree too. Had to be as tall as the twin that was next to. And there's the twin. You can just see it at the top there. Branches are snapped off. Those branches are 8 to 10 inches. Cleaned up. It's late Sunday afternoon. Spent the whole weekend. Look at the size of that tree. This is the one. The one that came down was just as tall as that one. And I had a bunch of 10, 12, 14-inch trunk to cut up. That's what's left of it. Like I say, it stood right next to this one. And I'm not sure why it came down. Well, I'm sure now because it did all cutting it up. Let's go over to the wood pile, and there it is. Ants had eaten the inside of the tree hollow, and it just couldn't stand it anymore. It gave out and fell, and there's the mess that came back. You can see the size of that. Now that's one of the upper parts of the tree. And it just tapered down. Like I said, the bottom's 18 inches, and I have an 18-inch bar on the chainsaw, so I just barely made it, and all this brush comes with it. Had to clean all that up, get it out of the way. Got it stacked. I'll have to split it all later. Here's what happened, though. About halfway through the day, I had stopped a couple times to sharpen the chainsaw. I did another video on using a Dremel with a grinding wheel to sharpen it, and the guide on the bar disintegrated. The top and bottom of the bar has big chunks taken out of it, I guess by the chain, and you can see the gear, the sprocket that it goes through, but it just chewed that up. Look at that. Now, I was wearing safety glasses and heavy leather gloves. I had on a heavy shirt. Well, you can see I was wearing heavy leather gloves. I had safety glasses on. When that thing started to come apart, I didn't get hurt. I don't know if it threw any pieces of metal at me or what happened, but it really did come apart. You have to do the proper maintenance and keep an eye on that. I guess the metal got fatigued and it wore out, and the chain jumped off. Could have got hurt pretty bad if the chain would have snapped, but it looks like the guide is bad. Had to get rid of it. Went and got a new bar and a new chain for the chainsaw, and so everything is set for next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I need those subscribers. Give me a thumbs up if you don't want to subscribe. I get it. I get it. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you enjoyed the video, and see you next time. Be safe out there.